Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 4th July 2020. Now we'll discuss and we'll see and analyze for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the next week. The week starting from 6th July to 10th July. So 5 days, 6th to 10th July. So this week, how the Nifty is going to perform and how we have to trade, where we have to take the trade setup, etc. So we will see now. Straight away we'll go to the technical chart of Nifty. This is the technical chart of Nifty. So this is the weekly chart. See, the current week closed on Friday. If you see the weekly candle, the close is 10,607. If you see the previous week, close is 10,383 and high is 10,553. So closing basis, this week closed above the range of previous week. The momentum is upside. If you see the trend also, the weekly trend also, the decent uptrend only, right? So it is uptrend. So trend has not given any breakout, right? So now we have to see where the Nifty may halt for some time. So taking out of the profits entered previous at 10,300 or 400 kind of levels. So now the first hurdle to the Nifty is here. So 10,751, 10,820, 830 we can say. So this is the hurdle for the Nifty going upside. So this is the area where we can take out some profits if we entered on the lower range of the Nifty, that is 10,300 kind of levels. In my previous videos, before last week, I explained about this candle and why we had to take a long position or a bull call spread. That bull call spread on that day I explained, and that bull call spread can take in a profits in this area. So we are getting a profit of around 55 to 60% of our margin as profit if the price comes to this area. So that bull call spread who has entered can take out their profits here. So this is the one area we have to look importantly. And if you see the different factors why this area may get resistance. So if you see the entire drop, what is the level? It is above 61.8%, and this week it closed above that. So the momentum is high. It may cross also, but as a wise trader we have to take some profits at this level. The other thing what I want to tell is, based on the volatility, the Nifty volatility on a daily basis is 1.90, that is 0.19%. So 1.90 is the daily volatility of the Nifty. So based on that calculations, the expected range for the Nifty, the higher side is 10,890. So that I'll, for your information, the higher side is 10,890. This is based on the volatility. On the downside, $10,323. So this is the range expecting for the next week for Nifty. The high side 10,890, on the downside 10,323. So these are the levels based on the volatility of the Nifty. And if you see the technical demand supply also, this is the resistance area, supply area near to this 10,890, this is 10,323. 830. So this level as a supply area, and this one 10,323, if you see, this is the demand area for week. This is 10,311, 10,323. So this way it is the coincidence of all the factors. So this range will work out for the coming week, right? So even if you see the Fibonacci extension levels also, where it is coming, this is the rally and drop, again rally. So this is 61.8%. So this area may be around 88%. So this is the highest range for the extension of this rally. So somewhere the traders may take out their profits in between 10,800 and 11,000 kind of levels. That is the area the people may take out some profits, and from there could be a small correction in the market. So this way we can trade in the next week, right? So it will go. So this is the range based on volatility. This is the range, and this is the areas where demand and supply. So these levels can be noted. According to that, we can trade in the next week, right? So now we'll see on a daily chart also. If you see the candle of Friday, the close is 10,607. The high of this candle is 10,598. That means the candle closed above the high of this candle. So this maybe Monday or next week, this area also give a decent support. 10,450 kind of levels will give a decent support. Only if this level breaks, then only it may fall to 10,300 or kind of levels. Until then, buy on any dip with a target of 10,750 or 800 kind of levels. This is the strategy for the Nifty. Now we'll see on Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty weekly chart. If you observe Nifty and Bank Nifty is weaker than the Nifty. If you compare two charts, the Bank Nifty is not that strong as Nifty. But if you see the weekly candle, this is the weekly previous week candle, and this week candle is inside the total range. So now this range is so important to the Bank Nifty. So this high of this candle 22,574 or 580 kind of levels. On the downside, it is 20,926. So this previous week high and low 20,900 and 22,600 we can say. So these levels are important levels to watch out for the next week also. So week starting from Monday. So this, is there any relevant to these levels in other analysis also? We'll see. If you see the Bank Nifty volatility, the daily volatility is 2.54. Based on that daily volatility and closing price of the Friday, so I calculated the range. The range for the Nifty for the coming week is, the higher range is 22,633. This is based on, so I'll increase the size of the, so based on the volatility, expected high 22,633 and expected low, the calculated low as per the volatility, right? A low is 21,073. Right? So this is the expected low for the next week. This is the expected high for the next week. The entire range for the week 22,633, 21,073. This is based on the volatility calculation, right? In the chart also it is significant. It is 20,900. So here is only 130 points difference, and here 22,574. So here is 33 plus 33, around 60 points difference. This is one analysis. Another one, if you see the extension of this rally, so this went here and fall back and coming. So if you see, this is 22,900. So these are the levels to be noted. So 100% of this extension, it is closed about 61.8% from last 3 weeks. So there is a probability of testing this level maybe next week. So we have to, based on these levels, we can have some strategies, right? So 22,600 to 22,900 in the highest side, and the downside is 20,900 and 20,700. That areas will give a decent support to the Bank Nifty. If you see the entire rally from here to here and how much it is retraced, we'll see now. So this is the drop, and it has got a significant resistance, maybe around 20,050 and 20,500. So this has already given a break. 38.2% has given a break, but closed below. And last week also it is given a break, but it closed below this level. So maybe 1 or 2 days this level may act as some resistance. Once this level closes on a daily basis, there is a probability of testing 22,600 kind of levels. So these are the different factors we have to consider for Bank Nifty. Based on these levels, we can have different strategies to follow. So until unless Bank Nifty closes below 20,900, the high probability of testing 22,600. So the trading idea should be buy on dips until it closes below 20,900. That is the most important level to watch out for the coming week. Thank you friends. That is the analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for the coming week, starting from 6th July to 10th July. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it to your friends. If you have any doubts or anything you want to say, please write in the comments. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.